Hello everyone, my name is Jubraj Nofel and welcome to JN Insights. Today I am going to review one of my recent application I made for a certain microservice which actually extracts passport information. So let me clear this out. I am not creating any kind of Python tutorial here, although the project is in Python. So you should know Python syntax by own before starting this video. And I am working inside a VENV of Python. So if you don't know about virtual environments, these are just like wrapper for isolated libraries. So you can use it or you can use your global Python installs, no problem. First of all, let's go through my requirements file. What do we need? We need these requirements for our project, especially the Pytesseract, which is an open source library for OCR technology. OCR is used to read images and extract text from them. Okay, so this is what we need to use because we are going to read image file and get text from the image file, and after that we need OpenAI API key, which will cost you little bit of money. So I have an example env here. We need a key like this, and you have to pass an OpenAI API key here. I cannot show you the .env. You have to convert it to .env, and then you have to paste the what can I say, the API key here. So after that we go to main.js, main.py. Okay, so and after that we go to the main.py file. What we are doing at first, we are loading our .env. Okay, so we are loading our .env and loading the OpenAI API key, and then we are extracting the image from a given image path. How we are extracting? We are extracting using Pytesseract. We are loading the image, passing the data inside Pytesseract, which has a function called image to string, and it will extract the text from our image. And after that we have the text here, and we can get the formatted version of the data. To get that, we are using OpenAI. Let's go to the get passport JSON, and you can see we are formatting a string here, string 2D string, where I am specifying the AI what kind of output I am looking forward. In this case, we are having a list of data we need to extract from the text, OCR text, and we are passing the OCR text so that we can get the necessary outputs in a format. We are using OpenAI just to format the data, nothing else. Then we are using OpenAI request to get the data as JSON, and we are finally getting the JSON data. After that we are just simply printing. Okay, so let's see what we are going to extract. This is the image we are going to extract, and let's run our Python. We have a fake.png file here. We enter it. As you can see, it is extracting OCR data using Pytesseract and sending the data for structuring, and finally we have data. Some data are missing because the ID we have passed have only few data like name, ID number, issued, expires. let's see what we have got. We have got the full name. We have have not got the passport number, because it's calling ID number. If it was passport number, it would definitely get that. We are getting the issue date. As you can see, the issue date is here, 7/14/1997, and we're getting the expiry date, which is, as you can see. So whatever data your uh, image will have, it will extract. So this is how we are making a passport scanner.